Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jones, aka The Boxman, bringing you another great video. Thank you for your patience. What we're going to do is take a look at the most, I believe, one of the best affordable, budget-friendly, one of the most valuable devices for your entertainment. Now, anything from this company called Formuler, you can look them up. They're spelled F-O-R-M-U-L-E-R, and I use them exclusively for some of my top-end units. The Formuler Z10 SE is the smallest but newest device that makes it budget friendly. And what we're offering is what we've been doing for the last 10 years, changing the way that you might watch TV. The 8Ball Live is a live TV device. It's normally $235, but we're going to discount it to $185 just for the month of February. What you'll receive with that are some internet streaming services referrals, some on-demand referrals, some different apps that you can choose. Some are free, but the majority of them are paid, but very affordable. Here's something you need to understand. Streaming is not free. So there's different applications other than, the big dogs out there that you can use. And if you buy a box like this, legally, by law, you can put whatever you want on it because it's up to you. It is now your device. So what we're going to look at is what the 8Ball Live on the live, on the live side, my TV Online too. We're just going to take a really quick look at some of the channels and some of the things that are on there, and that covers your live TV. You're seeing something called My Family Cinema. That is a paid service for on-demand, and there's some other free apps that we would recommend once you become a customer of ours, because we use a lot of these free applications on all of our devices to get the entertainment that we want. Most importantly, what you're going to get from us is something that we pride ourselves in. Now, we're not perfect in it, but we're pretty dang close, if I could just laugh a little bit. Customer support and tech support in streaming is non-existent. And for the last 10 years, I have changed the game by offering people live tech support. It hasn't always been easy because when some people like to take advantage of it, but nevertheless, we lead by example. We try to put you first. We really do. More importantly, we teach you how to stream. When you know what's available to you, you can buy a device like this and put your own things on there. You wouldn't even need ours. No problem. But we have some really good relationships with people around the world, around the globe, and we want to share that wealth of relationship that we have. So let's take a look at my TV Online too. I have it on the AccuWeather channel. I'm going to go ahead and hit the guide. I want you to see the EPG. This is really important to a lot of people. Electronic programming guides are just like, oh my gosh, everyone has to have one. They do help. They're not a necessity, but they do help. As you can see, I'm in the weather channel. As I go down, you'll see anything that populates is going to populate. Anything that has no information, don't worry about it. Maybe it's not available at that time. You can't get caught up in the small stuff. But the bottom line is, this is very clean. You'll notice on the very bottom, there is a record button. On every single one of these devices, you can add a thumb drive, and we have videos on showing you how to record your live TV stuff, your live TV programs. If I go up to groups, let me find this really fast. If I hit the group button, now you get to see what the groups are of the different channels. So if I hit ABC Locals, that would be there. If I hit CBS Locals, that would be there. And let's say I hit NBC Locals, boom, that will change there. There's plenty of groups for you to choose from religion TV, entertainment. It goes all the way down. There's so many passes and different things like that. But the bottom line is, it plays like the experience feels like, something you're used to, with a great guide and the different opportunities for you to have the live TV and the recording feature makes this a really, really good device. Now, another thing I want to show you is it does have, if I believe it does, if I hit the home button, just different options of a very clean home screen. Check this out. Let's say you want to see the last channels you were there, and this is on every single formula. You can customize the channels, turn this on, and boom, you can go back and go back up, and now you'll have the most recent channels that were there, the live TV channels, and the favorites that I saved are there, which is awesome. So if I were to go back, let's say I wanted to watch ESPN, when I hit this, it's going to go straight to ESPN, I believe, if I believe correctly. And there it is, straight to ESPN. So this is what we're talking about, the live TV side, all right? And that's pretty cool. So let me hit the home button here. Now that you have your live TV taken care of, when you order a device like this, you're going to get some different options. One of the paid options, we have a good relationship with this company here. I don't know really where they're from, but we have free 30-day trials that they give to us to give to you, because it is an on-demand service that you pay for. You can go to their website, myfamilycinema.com, and I believe they're $29.99 a year or $69.99 a year, and you pay them. We don't accept any payments, but we have these 30-day codes that we give those that want to try it. So you'll get about 37 days from them, and then you'll pay directly from your phone or whatever to their app or website. We also have VPN-IO. This will bring some safety to you if you wanted to use a VPN. We believe that if you're going to stream, you should have a VPN. That is something that you can have access to as well on this platform. The next thing are some free apps that you'll see here that you'll be able to learn by having just some tech support and customer support. That's where we come in. You'll have a library of videos, an online forum group, a website, a toll-free number, a texting number. You should be able to get a hold of someone if we're available. We do have business hours, by the way. But more importantly, the library of videos and the tech support that we provide, you'll be streaming in no time. So this is the 8Ball Live. I think it's worth taking a look. Normally $235 using the coupon code 4444 at checkout. And we'll put the link in the descriptions at our new website called thestreammachines.com. You will have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like this device after 30 days, you can return it. We will give you your $185 back. If you keep it, you're good for the full year. After the year, though, it's $128 for the next year. It's just that simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did remake this. I hope the sound is there. Some of our subscribers were saying, Jeff, you know, at the 517 mark, it went totally dark. This time, I think I have it. I do appreciate you guys watching. Check the description or the link in the description plus the coupon code, and we'll see you on the page and get this 8Ball Live. Have a great day.